SPMP was established in 1969 as a maker of bumpers for Italian and European vehicles. Over the years, it then became involved in the nascent spare body parts market. Keeping pace with evolution of the automotive market, SPMP pursued a policy of diversification, constantly expanding its range and thus becoming a leader in the sector. SPMP handles all phases of the production cycle in-house, from design and construction of molds to compression molding, and from primer application and stocking in its own warehouses to shipment. Its present production facilities feature 30 employees working in a covered area of some 10,000 square meters. SPMP uses an extensive sales network in Italy and in the rest of Europe. At present, products it offers consist of a range of over 300 types of spare body parts for commercial and industrial vehicles. In order to ensure immediate turnaround of customers' orders, all articles are always available in warehouse stocks. Today, bumpers are an integral part of bodywork, and for years, SPMP has been making competitively priced products equivalent to the original, winning the trust of automotive body repairers, who can be certain of a perfect repair. To confirm this, SPMP certifies its products internationally with entities such as the UK organization Fashion and the German organization TÜV. To date, SPMP is the only player on the market that carries out the entire production cycle in-house. SPMP designs in-house all the equipment necessary to make the products available in its catalog, thanks to highly qualified and experienced personnel. Use of sophisticated 3D simulation programs and reverse engineering techniques ensures construction of precise, durable molds, able to maintain outstanding standards of quality, reproducible over time in the end products. The equipment to make SPMP's products, totally developed in-house, is constructed using the best steels and machine tools of the latest generation. The molding workshop, the priming feature of the SPMP production cycle, is in fact equipped with all the apparatus needed to execute all phases of assembly. It features the presence of continuous 3- and 5-axis milling machines, electro-erosion machine tools to create deep ribs, and mold testing presses, all able to make a precise, reliable end product. In its laboratory, SPMP performs systematic controls via a series of diversified tests designed to check that the raw materials used have the properties effectively required by specifications, which are developed reflecting the characteristics of the automotive industry specifications. Physical tests are performed, including impact resistance, specific density, the rigidity of materials, and paint integrity. SPMP uses computer numerically controlled injection molding presses that perform continuous quality control of the molding cycle and are able to generate up to 3,000 tons of clamping force. Another prized feature of the SPMP production department are the robots for automated extraction of molded pieces. These robots helps to ensure constant processing cycles, enabling operators to perform more accurate controls and work at rhythms that are not extreme, fully respecting and enhancing the value of the human resources employed by SPMP. In order to provide the utmost assurance of product quality, SPMP also performs the last, but not less important, processing cycle, which consists of application of a layer of primer in order to aid maximum adherence of the finished paint. Application of primer is done using the paints of leading companies in the sector, applied using 6-axis anthropomorphic robots that ensure excellent repeatability of the processing cycle. SPMP assembles, packs and ships all material directly through its own personnel. All products are always available in stock, and each of them has a guarantee of interchangeability, is always an exact and certified copy of definite and certain origin. SPMP certifies its products internationally with its strictest entities, such as the UK organization FATM and the German organization TÜV. Certifications are repeated frequently and on an ongoing basis, performing audits several times a year for each individual product category. SPMP's policy is guarantee of full interchangeability. This ensures customers totally problem-free and safe assembly of the product purchased on the vehicle undergoing repair.